Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Um, I am getting back into the groove of things. Um, I hope you are. I saw that a lot of you are tired and some of you are stressed. Some of you are sick of working at home and want to go back to school. I know, me too. Me too. Anyway, we can't change that, but I'm gonna do my best to make sure I'm available for you. Um, if we can get enough people on Google Meet, we can have a little chat and take some time to chat um, about something you're struggling with on this stuff. Let me know if you are. But I'm getting you back into the swing of things so we can step into something more difficult. So I know you get it, some of you, and some of you are struggling with it. But we're about to compare word problems, and so it's going to be a little bit more challenging. I'm going to make some videos of me teaching, and we'll get into it that way. Anyway, so today you've got your Padlet questions, any questions you have on Padlet. You've got announcements and a little MsBush announcement here, and my video will come on here. The Google Meets today, I know yesterday's was weird. I forgot to put the Google Meet attachment on, and then I forgot to turn mine on. I messed up yesterday. I had to get back in the swing of things. Anyway, um, Google Meet at 10 and 2 today. If you need me, I'll put it up at 9:55, and then I'll put it up again at 1:55. I'll be on there for about an hour. Feel free to jump on. I know that this is a struggle, but keep going. You got this. I believe in you. You guys are doing great. I am working on putting grades in. I had a little bit of trouble today, but I'll start those first thing in the morning. We'll start plugging those in, and I'm going to let you know if you're missing something. I'm going to send you some messages. So get your grade up. Progress reports will be online. I have to plug those in, so you'll be looking at those online. Anyway, so today's assignment. Remember, this is just your announcements. You'll go to classwork, and remember, I have separated them into weeks. You only need to worry about anything that has not been done from week 1. Anything before this, on everything before Learn From Home, you don't need to worry about. You need to start on this week right here, the 18th and 19th and 20th. If you have not done these, anything that you haven't done here, all of these that have not been done, if it has, especially if the due date is already passed, and then you have these this week. I know it says the 16th is already up, but hold off on that. I will probably change it, so nobody do that one. I mean, you can if you want to, but I may take it down. It's a little challenge of unlocking the locks through answering questions, so I'm not sure yet on that one. But on 4/15 is Wednesday, and so complete the Google form. There are video links and websites embedded in the form. Some of them are before you answer the question. Some of them are if you get the question wrong. You watch a video and it will return you to it. So you should be able to click on and get right onto it. It's got 7 sections, or 7 sections and 6 questions. Some of them are detailed and some of them are not. But watch the videos on the ones that have them before the questions. It's just a link. And then if you're struggling and you get it wrong, there's something there to help you on most of them. And you can also send me a message before you submit if you're struggling, and I can walk you through something, any of the problems, because I'll be right at my computer putting grades in and stuff tomorrow. I'll be right here the whole time so I can jump on and help you. Have a great day. Remember, if it's taking you longer than 30 minutes, please send me a message. And I hope you are making sure that you're taking time to get outside and get some fresh air. I got to do that better. go for a walk, things like that. And I will see you later, hopefully. If you have any questions, let me know. But do know, those of you that were ready to move on from slope, we're going to go into picking it out of word problems, and then we are going to move it into systems. So it's not easy to teach the depth of stuff that I need to teach doing it through online learning, but I'm going to do the best that I can. And we'll probably start with a video classroom. I'll probably have like a video of me teaching. I have some sticky paper. We'll see. I'm just rambling. I love you. Bye. And don't forget to turn in that button. Hit the turn in button. It should have it right here where it says 100 points. There's a turn in button right there. Hit it. By the way, usually around this space where the title is, this is where your grade is. Somewhere around the title, it'll say like if it's 4 out of 4 or if it's 100, 97 out of 100, there should be a little grade if I've graded it. And some of you have things that are missing, so get those done.